Hello and welcome to this ASUS unboxing video. My name's Tom and I'm here today with the ZenBook S, also known as the UX391. So let's not waste any time, let's get straight into the box and see what goodies we have inside. Now the first thing out of the box is the travel pouch for the ZenBook S. Now if you're a frequent traveller, you'll really appreciate the way the ZenBook S is only 1 kilogram heavy and only 12.9 millimeters thick, making it really effortless to transport around and bring with you. Next out of the box we have the ZenBook S charger. Now the ZenBook S uses a high capacity battery and uses fast charge technology as well, which allows you to recharge your ZenBook S up to 60% capacity in as little as 49 minutes. Next up we have the main event itself, the laptop. Now as I take it out the smaller box, you can really see the beautiful Zen spiral finish on the laptop and the beautiful burgundy colour as well. So before we open it up, let's have a look at the side of the laptop. So here we can see we've got two Type-C USB 3.1 Thunderbolt ports, and we've also got an audio combo jack as well. Now if we flip the laptop over on the other side, you can see we've got a USB 3.1 Type-C port. So let's open up the laptop and see what we have inside. So the first thing you're going to notice when you open up the ZenBook S is the ergonomic keyboard. These widely spaced and long travel keys have been designed to feel more like a desktop. And the tops of the keys are also gently dished to aid accurate typing. Keeping in with this ergonomic theme, the ZenBook S sports an ErgoLift hinge, which has been designed to automatically tilt the keyboard to the most comfortable typing position. But that's not all. The carefully calculated tilt also improves the cooling of the laptop and the audio performance too. Taking a look at the touchpad on the ZenBook S, it has a fingerprint sensor built in, meaning that with its Windows Hello technology, there's no need to type in a password every time to log in. A single touch is all it takes. And just to demonstrate how seriously portable the ZenBook S is, let me show you putting it into the carry pouch. So as you can see here, the magnetic strip just holds it closed. And it's just such a small profile, it's really easy to bring around with you. And that wraps up today's video. Thank you very much for joining us here at ASUS.